In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make style changes in Ecwid in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to update your store's look or simply want to experiment with new design elements, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to give your online store a fresh, modern appearance. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Ecwid's official website at wecwid.com. Once there, enter your credentials to log into your account. If you're not sure about your login details, check if you've noted them down somewhere safe or reset your password if necessary. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard, your central hub for managing your online store. Next, navigate over to the website section in the main menu. There you'll find an option labeled Design. Click on it and under Site Appearance, you'll see an option to Edit. Click on Edit to start customizing how your storefront looks to your customers. Now, you're in the storefront section where you'll discover a variety of exciting options. The first option you have here is the ability to change the theme. Themes are essentially the foundation of your store's appearance, dictating the overall layout and look. Ecwid offers a selection of themes that you can choose from. Don't hesitate to explore these themes to find one that aligns with your brand's personality and the message you aim to convey. With your theme selected, it's time to personalize the colors across your site. This step is crucial for branding consistency and making your store unique. You have the flexibility to choose colors for various aspects of your site, including the background, text, and buttons. As you make your selections, you'll see a preview of what your changes look like in real time. A tip here is to ensure your colors contrast well enough for text readability and to keep them aligned with your brand identity. Next, you'll want to adjust the fonts used throughout your store. Ecwid allows you to modify fonts for various elements like headings and product text, which can significantly impact your site's aesthetics and user experience. Play around with different font styles and sizes to see what works best for your brand. Keep in mind that readability should be a priority, especially for product descriptions and crucial information. This method of styling changes offers a quick and efficient way of customizing your store to reflect your unique style and brand guidelines. There is no need for coding skills or a web design background. It's all straightforward with live previews to guide you through the process. Taking a few minutes to refine these details can make all the difference in appealing to your customers and enhancing the overall shopping experience on your site.